Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and I'm going to show you 3 more fall accent bows for the 2021 season. There are 3 of them up on the website shopdeeslouisville.com right now, and they have been selling really well, so I thought I would offer you 3 more. And if you know us, you know our accent bows are for every season. We create them for any holiday, and they're super easy way to decorate your home. So I always twist them onto like a boxwood wreath, a lantern. You can even kind of set them on a shelf, and these are the 3 new ones that are going to be up there. So the first 3 are kind of more traditional. They're like your typical fall colors, and then there's one with a white pumpkin that's a little bit more neutral. So I wanted to give you 3 options that are a little bit more funky, kind of whimsical, and that are very on trend as far as color. So first up, we have this one here. It's got the turquoise in it. Turquoise has been around for a few years, but I just think it's really pretty the way they put the olive and the rust in the ribbon. So we paired it with the orange pumpkin and the rust dot. So that gives you a little pop of the turquoise if you do that in your home. Next up, very popular, is a leopard. You're gonna see it for any holiday, definitely for Christmas and fall. I put it with a really nice golden sunflower, a really pretty gold, green, and orange plaid, and then of course the really cute leopard ribbon. I've twisted this one on top of a lantern. You could easily though set these on a shelf. I love them for like a mailbox, a flagpole. You could even like use one at the bottom of your lantern and at the top of your lantern, but they're a great way to buy like 4 or 5 of them, tuck them into your bookcases, things like that. The third one I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually make it for you. You've seen me make them 100 times, so I'm going to go pretty fast. But this one is incorporating the blues, like that navy you're seeing a lot. And then it's got this really nice orange plaid with it. And then I put another navy with it too. So this one's got a pumpkin wheat stem with it. You're just going to chop off the bottom of the stem. You're going to fluff it. Definitely bring some kind of up towards the top. And if you've watched any swag videos or any of the accent bow videos, you guys know how to make these. You're just going to fluff them out. Take the wider of the 2 ribbons, pinch it in the middle. I just do a little swatch in these. That's all you need. That helps keep this way to decorate super inexpensive without using a lot of ribbon. Then you're going to take your thinner 1.5" ribbon right on top. You're going to make a couple loops of that. You're going to have your cloth covered wire in your kit with this. You're going to simply just tie right where your fingers are, tie it in the knot, and then tie it onto your stem. So I'm going right behind the pumpkin. I'm going to twist it on too, because say next year you don't want blue, if you just twist it right off, you've got your stem still. I'm going to go on and twist it onto this lantern and fix it up. So right now the bow's still a little smashed. Your floral needs to be fixed. Bring those tails up. Separate them down here, get that floral showing, don't block too many of those leaves, and then you're ready to cut those tails. So the blue is very striking. We've been selling it super well in the store, and it's great if you do blue in your home. It's a really pretty nice contrast with the oranges. So that's the third one. Head on over though. All of these are now available up on shopdeeslouisville.com. The 3 other ones are up there too, so you have 6 different fall accent bows to choose from for this season. Head on over. They're on shopdeeslouisville.com.